Hey guys, it's Daryl, and I promised that I would give my review on the Thermal RD exhaust system, dual exhaust, and it is coated, ceramic coated all the way up to the front. One of the things that Sling mods talk about is the sound, how well it sounds, and the fact it tracks the heat. You're not going to get the heat in the cabin. As you can see here, everything is as it says. If you watch the video, it does install as they put it. Everything comes with it, and as long as you follow instructions, you can get it done. Now, the one thing that I question is the way they mounted it. So if you do your own installs, you have to completely remove the transmission mount and put their new mount in there. I'm not sure that was the best way to do it, but for whatever reason, that's the way they chose to do it. And it is not as easy as they show in the video. And I'm sure a lot of that has to do with editing and the fact that they're professionals and practiced several times before they actually videotaped it. But anyway, this system also is a catback system. It doesn't have that in the description. You have to read the description paragraph and get down to the end to realize that this is actually meant to hook up to the catalytic converter. Some people in some states, they have to. In the state of Indiana, you don't. And that's most important for those that have other systems that have done a cat delete, like I did. I had the Welter Dual exhaust. With that said, other than those things, when I called Sling Mods and told them about it, they took care of it right away. And now, my take on this is, I don't know yet if I'm a fan of the Thermal RD exhaust. I have been told that this is actually louder than if you actually put it up to the cat because of the fact that it's straight pipe back. If you are looking for a dual exhaust that you're not going to hear in the cabin at all, and you don't mind that Honda four-banger exhaust type sound coming out of the back, again, that is with the cat delete on my side, then this exhaust is for you. Now, I will say, after driving today, we didn't have any heat coming in from it up into the cabin, but it's also only 48, 50 degrees, so I'm not sure if that was a good indicator of whether there's going to be heat that'll permeate up into the cabin. So I've got some videos put together to show you what it sounds like from start, what it sounds like when you're driving. I think the biggest one that you can hear is when you're driving, you could barely hear the exhaust. And you'll hear the difference in the Welter. In my opinion, they had a real deep, throaty sound to it compared to the Thermal RD, which you really have to get on the gas to give it any kind of noise. But everybody take a look and you can decide what you like. I think there are a lot of people who don't like big throaty sound that you get from the dual Welters, and you may enjoy this one much better. But here you go. Thanks. There's our demonstrator, Sherry. The Welter performance. Go ahead and start it up. So here we are, start up with my lovely assistant, Sherry. Okay, give us some gas. Go ahead and give us some gas. More gas than that. A little more. Do it again. Give us some real gas. There you go. There you go. One more time. Okay. Here's what it sounds driving down the road. To me, it sounds like a Honda four-banger, but you tell me. Now, it is real quiet compared to the Welter when we're sitting still.